What if I could show you exactly how to reach any sales goal that you have? What if I gave you a daily step-by-step plan to achieve your goal? What if I gave you every lead generation tool, every presentation, marketing piece, checklist, and resource so that you know exactly what to do, how to do it, and never have to recreate anything in your real estate career? Well, congratulations. You found the only training program in real estate that does exactly this. So what does it include? A centralized platform, accessible 24 hours, 7 days a week for you to access to build your business starting day one. Over 300 instructional videos with more added every day, along with every resource for you to download, customize, and use for your own business. Complete step-by-step systems to help you build your real estate business, regardless of your current production or experience level. A brand new agent, an experienced agent, an agent on a team, or just looking to find that breakthrough opportunity. Well, this is it. Daily tasks emailed to you for the level that's right for you, that tell you exactly what steps you should be taking to build your business. Personal one-on-one coaching sessions, at least 2 times per month. A dedicated transaction partner to walk you through your transactions if you're a new agent. Live role play and topic calls 4 times per week, led by the best coaches and experts in real estate. Live monthly masterminds on relevant topics to help you build your business. A daily tracking system to ensure you stay on target to hit your personal goals. We help you build a customized plan specific for your personal goals and a roadmap of exactly how you will achieve it. Access to a private forum exclusive to agents in Rockstar Agent Coaching, which has a library of previously recorded coaching calls, as well as other valuable tools and resources. And the opportunity to network and collaborate with agents from different parts of the country.
The logistics of all of what we do, you've packaged it for us. So it takes the thinking out of it. It builds your confidence. So I realized then, we got a gem over here, like this true gem. And I just really wish people will understand that and grasp it.
It's enabled me to stay focused for one. And maybe the most important thing, it allowed me to be involved with a community of people who are focused on achieving the goals with real estate. I've seen an increase, pretty much double what I did the year before. It showed me different ways to do things, right? It showed me a different way to show a house, right? Yeah. Which now my turnaround time showing a house is a lot quicker, which is great. 3 months later, you look up and it's like, voila, there's that business I was working on a quarter ago.
I do it, I follow it by the book. I've got some great mentors that help me with little stuff, but in terms of overall systems and everything, it's just this program. I'm learning stuff now that I missed maybe on my first 2 times through. So I'm still learning stuff, still picking up little stuff that gets you that 1% better. It's been amazing. It's been a great thing to be a part of, and it's exciting moving forward with it.